This is Hank's grocery store in Twisp. It used to be a Harvest Foods, it's now Rosar's, but the owners, I don't know if they're the same owners now. If you know the area Twisp, this area up here is really big hunting area. So the owners are hunters, big game hunters, and so some of these are local animals, mountain buck, but what else he's got up here? In this area, all of these animals were taken by the owner and his family over the years. It's amazing. This one here.